who do you think is next? There's talk of Shawkat and there's talk of Kamaru Usman. Right? Those are the ones that I hear mostly.
I think, like you said, for legacy-wise, Usman is obviously the bigger name, and he was the guy that Dana said it was the best welterweight behind GSP or in front of GSP. But for boogeyman-wise and to like shut up the naysayers, I think it's Shawkat because he is undefeated. He is the guy that everybody thinks is this killer.
Yeah.
And then for myself, it's like either one of them does a lot for me. Usman, obviously, would probably be bigger pay-per-view numbers, and then beating him, my resume is up there with GSP because then I have Usman on my resume, Leon, Maya, Wonder Boy, like all these big name guys, Gilbert Burns, Brady, and it's like, look at that resume. It's neck and neck with his.
Right.
But Shawkat's also that, this young guy's going to come out here and beat you. Right after being Leon. Right. Everybody's comments, Shawkat, you can't do the Shawkat though. Shawkat will kill you. And my chip on my shoulder is like, all right, let's go. I'm going to prove you guys wrong. Now I'm going to show you guys what I can do. Because when, like you said, with BJ Penn, where it was like the strength conditioning was his whole camp that one. For us, we strategize everything. My coach is so good at breaking down stuff.